Dan, check this out. Who would have thought, maybe it's just me, opening the sandpaper from the inside?
Yep.
Is that a thing, or did you make that up?
No, I don't know.
Who taught you?
I just learned as we were going. If you take the plastic off, they're going to unravel everywhere. So just pull them out from the middle and keep them nice and close together.
Oh my God, that's so good. And then I saw you show me what you were doing when I walked in with it.
What we'll do is we're going to fold it so it'll make it easier to handle. So we're going to fold it once, twice,
right,
3 times. We're going to fold it back and forth. Give it a nice line to tear to. Then we get a nice tear line like that.
And so why do we have 3?
So now we have one side to use, second side, and the third side.
And is that because it gives it more body when there's multiple layers?
Yeah, it gives a little bit more behind your hand, so you get a bit more force. You can be a little bit more reactive to the surfaces. And,
I love tradie tips. That's gold, hey?
That's good.
Bloody hell. Top tips continuing. One of the most frequently asked questions I ever get is, how do I sand? People are constantly like, do I do this? Do I do this?
Yep.
Do I go only in one direction?
Yep.
Do I go in both directions?
Yep.
What do I do? So, my dad taught me to sand. So I'm not going to prophesize John, but I will let Dan talk to us because there's actually different ways to sand depending on what you're doing, right?
Yeah, that's right. There's lots of different ways to handle things. So
Perfect. Okay, so let's go through this room. We have chair rails. First of all,
we're going to clean them down first because we don't want any debris or rubble sitting on the top. We're going to start sanding it, and then all of a sudden our nice trims are badly damaged and we have to repair them.
So we have to clean before we sand, then we have to clean.
And then clean again.
That's so counterintuitive. In-trim timbers are all timber.
Yep.
So if we're going to sand this, now that I've cleaned it, how do I sand that one?
Alright, for this part in particular, this trim, what I'd like to do normally is have a system where we start from top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever you prefer.
Yep.
So we start at the top here and we follow each groove. So cover around a 30 centimetre or so
area.
And we're going to cover the top. And both them done now, then we'll go to face. Then we're going to use our sandpaper, mould it to the moulding here. We'll get underneath first, there's a nice lip there, you can't really see.
Yep.
And we're going to mould it around this part of the round mould. And again, as it goes, you just fill
So it's literally, for these, it's just like cascading down the trim.
Yep, and you've got to get it all, you want it all to come up nice and uniform. You feel that's much better than...
And so realistically, that's the same when you're looking at timber trims like the in-trim ones. For your pictures, for your trims around your doors, your skirts, and your chair rails. It's basically just manoeuvring
the paper. And a rule of thumb would be to go with the grain. Even if it's pre-primed.
So there's no circles,
circles
there's no
are probably
up and
not
downs.
great. Unless we're sanding plus wood walls is probably
So this is the next question. So we know we must go with grains on timbers. So that goes the same if you've got timber doors, timber tabletops, timber with the grain. Okay, what about, because the amount of times you see on, boomerangs and social media where someone's like, sanding wall. So you can get away with that on these walls.
Yeah, you get away with on the walls a little bit better.
So, would you sand walls before trims? Or does it matter?
There's not necessarily a system behind it, whatever you're more comfortable with, but in this instance we'll probably do the trims first and then the walls, because what we're going to use on the walls is a little bit different than we're using on here.
Okay, what are we going to use on the walls?
A pole sander. Like
oh my god, a pole sander! Let's get the pole sander! Okay.
Well, this makes it a lot easier. So what we're going to do, it comes with 2 bits. And some butterfly screws. We're going to just put that under there. So what we need to do is get our sandpaper, roughly to size. We want it to go about an inch past the end of the pole sanding head.
You're right.
So we're going to say about here. Get our mark there. Doesn't have to be too
precious.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be too precious. What I want to do is put our pole sanding head in the middle. Fold it back over the bolt.
So it doesn't slip out.
And we'll clamp this on there with our butterfly.
And then we do the same stuff.
Same on that side, you can do that one. Push down, there we go, hold it tight, over the top.
Don't get your finger caught.
No, don't get your finger under there.
Finger tight?
Yep. Finger tight's fine. Now what we want to do, because we've got some sharp edges, so we want to bend our edges in a little bit. We don't want to be digging into the walls and the corners of the paper.
Especially on new, like, parts that have been patched, hey?
That's right, yeah. So we're going to bend that down a little bit.
Imagine saying that to your plasterer. Can you come back? I've put a big score in the middle of your plaster.
And because the walls are a little bit softer than the timber, what we use is another piece of paper. You go on here.
What?
And just going to smear it out just around the corner.
Stop. What are you doing?
We're making this a little bit softer than it is now, so that when we put it on the walls, it's not digging into the walls.
Okay, so this is a way you can get away with not buying thousands of different grits of sandpaper.
Yes.
Because there's nothing. Because.
So it's 120 grit now, we can turn it into 180 by giving it a little sand up with some more 120. Feel that now?
So, guys, the bigger the number,
the bigger the number,
the more gentle it is, right?
It is, right?
Yeah. So you were saying we've used a 120
to do that, which would probably go up a little bit, but 120 is good for us.
But that's a bit rough for the walls.
Yeah, you probably want to go to a 180. You probably, depending on the surfaces, like these surfaces being old, you probably need to use a 120. But somewhere in between a 120 and a 180, which you can do just by working it out.
But if these were fresh gyprock and fresh set,
we probably want 180 or higher.
Okay, so that is such a hack. You just buy one roll, which is so much more affordable, even though I do like sanding pads, so much more affordable, and you just grade it down.
Grade it down to suit the surface that you're using.
Oh my God! That is so clever.
What we got is some rough walls here, existing walls that have got some patches on them.
Yeah.
So we've got our paper ready to go.
I reckon there's like food and stuff on
there. Yeah, there's a few splatters around here.
Just touch.
No, thanks for that. Yeah, nice. We've got our 120 paper and we've softened up a little bit.
Yep.
Now all we've got to do is place it firmly on the wall, flat.
Okay, so we don't whack it onto the wall?
No, we don't want to be creating any more holes than are already there. So what we're going to do is softly put it on the wall, nice and flat.
Yep.
We're going to get our right hand, if we're right-handed, that's how I would recommend we do it. Holding on the bottom here, one up the middle.
Yep.
Right, just to give us a bit of stability and a bit of direction. We're going to direct with this hand. And we're just going to go up and down. Up and down. Like so.
There's no up and down ladders.
No ladders.
Okay, it's easy to use if you're tall. Should we go?
Let's go.
Can you make this longer for short asses?
That one's that, but yeah. Okay. A little bit more than that.
Oh!
Yeah.
It grips.
It does grip, that's why it's good. So you gotta use the other hand to pull it up a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. You get the hang of it?
There's still a workout in it.
Yeah, that's it. It's much faster than doing it by hand now.
Oh my gosh! You could sand a room in like half an hour.
Easily. 20 minutes, half an hour, big room like this. And done very well.
How do you do ceiling then? So we've talked about trims, walls. Hey, see, I was about to bang it on the wall.
Yeah, we don't want to
place the head on the wall, Naomi. See, this is more my action. Look.
That's much better.
Except for the big lump first.
Yeah, we can get them. There you go. Okay,
right, what about ceilings?
Same thing. Exactly.
With this?
With the pole. Yep. So I might,
on a big pole?
On a bigger pole. I might be able to reach here. Basically, we're going to put it on the ceiling like this and run from side to side.
You're filling up with crud?
Yeah, filling up with crud. So after a while, after you do a wall, you're going to start to build up a little bit of excess paint that's been on the walls that we're getting off.
That's not even dust, that's like chunks of paint.
Yeah, that's chunks of paint. So what we're going to do is every now and then just run a scraper over it. A little bit better than that, obviously.
That's pretty soft.
Yeah, just clean it off. So that way you've got a better surface for the sandpaper to go direct to it.
And it means another money saver that you're not ripping this out,
that's
replacing it every time.
A couple of minutes, yeah.
And literally, otherwise you could easily replace the sandpaper each wall.
Yep.
Easily. I love it. So, we've talked about how to sand trims, how to sand walls with a pole. If someone doesn't have a pole, and they're sanding this wall, what's the most efficient way to do it by hand?
Probably with a sanding sponge, right?
The ones I love.
The ones you like? Yep.
And then can they then, because I don't like that way, I love this way.
Yep.
Can we do that?
A circular motion's fine with this, but we don't want to be, we're not going to be pushing as hard as we were as on the trims.
Okay, so lightly.
Very light pressure. And in separate areas where there's a bit of crud or a bit of gyprock from patching or, a bit of food from whoever made a mess in the room, you want to just apply a little bit more pressure to those areas, but for the most part, it's just a nice soft sand.
Okay, gentle sand.
Gentle sand.
And then a clean.
And a clean. Wipe down, broom.
Nice.
Yep.
Sanding is demystified. Thanks for tuning in. Now, if you loved what you saw in this video, I've popped the link to one of my latest posts below where I go into more detail for you. Enjoy.